Hello friends, welcome to Projection World. Today we are going to see a setup of a conference room where there is a 3300 lumens projector from Maxell, a 100-inch motorized screen, 4.1 cubicle speakers, and this is the 100-inch screen which you can see, which is displayed even in the full ambience light. And the best part is it is fully integrated, and also the speakers are dual cubicle, so you get the full surround sound as it is kept 45-degree, and the interface is given through a pop-up box. Thank you.